Greetings. My name is Leonard Rhodes, and this is my testimonial in how easy it was to set up my trust through the Liberty Aid Academy. I had looked at his program and at Jack McCaig's program, and I'd seen a couple of his videos, and I found it intriguing. I was already familiar with, Living Trust through the system, and they work as far as they go. My parents had used them for their estate, and when they passed on, it was easy to deal with. There was no, I guess it's all probate, but I didn't have to go through the court system to deal with it. And when I saw Jack McCaig's stuff through Liberty Aid, and he's showing a whole nother level of the rules, I'm like, oh, wow, I've been missing out on all that. So I was very excited when he started showing his proof, and thank you, Jack, for making sure we all do this, and that you led the way. Thank you very much. You're right, all the other gurus don't post their proof, so I'm glad to be able to do this. So step one here, and I'll just keep it simple. I've set up my trust, the God First Trust, and I'm just showing you the first and last page of it. You can see it's all notarized, all signatured, and that was step one, get that done. And then after I did that, I went online with the instructions I got through Jack's program, and I was able to get my trust taken care of there as far as getting an EIN number and getting into that part of the system. And I'll just show you on page 2 of the letter they give you right online. You can see it's still God First. Looks like it's all backwards. My apologies. But here we go. And then I went to Wells Fargo. Actually, the same lady who notarized the trust was at my Wells Fargo bank. This is interesting, too, because this account I already had. And, just in my name. And she helped me notarize, she did the notary work for me. And then I had him retitle this account in the name of God First Trust. And so you can see it's right there on my statement. And that's how they do that. And then I also went online, and I had set up this Ali bank account online. It was very simple. And you can see I'm sorry about it being backwards, but you can see the name of the trust is there, God First Trust. And all of my work through them is underneath that. So it was easy. I think, the hardest part was reading everything. But as far as filling it out, getting it notarized, setting up the bank accounts, everything went smoothly. I didn't have any real problems at all, or challenges. So thank you, Jack McCaig and Liberty Aid Academy, all you folks that are making your testimonials. Thank you very much. Blessings.